Decimal to fraction. Look, this is the decimal number and we have to convert this decimal number to fraction. A fraction has numerator and denominator. So to convert decimal to fraction, we have to go through three steps. At first, you have to find out the numerator and then denominator, and at last, in the third step, we have to reduce the fraction. So in the first step, let us find the numerator. So just drop the decimal point, okay, drop the decimal point and write the number that you are getting. So we are getting this 0 has no value actually here, so we can omit this 0. Then we need to find out the denominator, right? Look, for denominator, what will you do? For decimal point, you have to consider 1, and for every digit, you have to write 0. For 4, we will write 0. For 5, we will write 0. If you have more number here, you have to add more 0 here. So this is the fraction, and in the third step, we have to reduce this fraction. Okay, I will show you the reducing process later in this video. So we are going to show you another process. So write the numerator. To find numerator, we have to apply the same rule. And for denominator, look, after decimal point, for every digit, we will consider 10. For 4, we will write 10, and then for 5, we will also write 10. That is, and we have to multiply all the 10s here. So this and this is similar, right? So this is the second way. Here is the third way. This is numerator, and we know that decimal is a 10 base number, so we have to write here 10. And now we have to find out the power of 10. So after decimal point, we have 2 digits, so we have to write here 2. So 45 divided by 10 to the power 2 means 100, right? Okay, so here is, now we'll learn to reduce, right? Look, this number, the unit place number is 5, so this number is divisible by 5. So let us divide this number by 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 9 times 4, 45, 0. So if you multiply 5 times 9, 5 times 9, that gives us 45. And you can also split this 10 as 5 times 2, right? So you are getting here, this 5 cancel each other, so you are getting here 9, 2 times 10, right? So we are getting here 9 over 20, right? You cannot reduce this fraction, so this is the answer. So let us take another example. We can consider this number 1.25. So the numerator will be this. Just drop this decimal point and write the number as numerator. For denominator, look, the denominator of the fraction is the place value of the last digit of the decimal. This is the 10th place and this is the 100th place. So the place value of last digit is 100. So this is another way to convert decimal to fraction. Or we can write like this. For after decimal point, we are getting 2 digits. So for 2, we'll write 10 times. For 5, we'll write 10, right? Now we have to reduce this fraction. Look, 125 is divisible by 5 because unit place number is 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 5, 10. Now subtract you will get 2. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So 5 times 25, and if I split this 10, we are getting 5 times 2 times 10. So this 5 cancel each other, so we are getting here 25 divided 2 times 10. You can split this 25 as 5 times 5, and you can also split this 10 as 5 times 2. So this 5 cancel each other, so we are getting here 5 divided by 2 times 2, that is 5/4. This is an improper fraction, right? Here numerator is greater than denominator, so we can express this fraction as a mixed number. So let us divide this 5 by 4. 4 goes into 5 1 times, 1 times 4 4, your remainder is 1. So this number, that is quotient, will be the whole number, then remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. So 1 and 1/4 is the answer. This is a mixed number. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.